So here we go, everybody. South Florida run number 9, just a 3-miler. And part of the reason I'm doing these videos, because a lot of times people say, man, how did you do that? How did you run that far? And often the answer is step by step. But people don't realize, actually I had a client call the other day that said, I want to overcome my fear. And the answer to that is you're not going to. You just need to become conscious of it. And all that negative self-talk or all those things stopping you from doing what you want to do, you just need to be conscious of that and say, thanks but no thanks, and just do what it is that you want to accomplish. So I'm going to share with you guys the success of completing a run. Day in and day out, 3-4 times a week, every week, until I accomplish my goal. And part of that is understanding what all of us as humans go through first thing in the morning. See, I'm here in South Florida. It's a beautiful run. And people, I'm here in South Florida, so I have a ton of friends and family here. And what happened was last night, had a gathering of, I believe, 6 of us. And it went later than I wanted it to. And because it went later than I wanted it to, I ended up getting to bed at 1 a.m. And I set the clock for 7 a.m. and I immediately hit the snooze. Give me another half hour. Within 5 minutes, I was up out of bed. Why? Because I don't have a half hour this morning. I want to make this video. I want to get the message out to you guys. I need to run. I had some client calls this morning before I go on about the rest of my day here. Well, I'm here. So I'm going to run down my basic morning for you, starting at 1 a.m. Oh, what time should I set my alarm? I wanted to do it at 6 and go down to the beach because I'm here in South Florida. But time travel back and forth and lack of sleep, and I got a long day, it's not going to serve me. So you know what I'll do is I'll just do it at 7. 7 comes around, I told you I hit snooze. And I started running down my mental game, and then I'm like, I'm in South Florida, it's got to be hot out there, it's got to be humid. Did I consume enough water last night? Man, had a couple glasses of wine, but I didn't hydrate really. Man, I got to drink some water. Is it going to affect me in my run? Oh man, let me go drink the water now. Let me throw on my sneakers, let me go stretch. Hey, let me call the wife, because I say goodnight, but it wasn't a proper good night last night as I was with a gathering of friends. So, you know what? Let me call her as I'm stretching. Dang, it's hot out here. It's hotter than what I've been running in. I've been running in like 45 to 55 degree weather. It's like 75 out here and humid. Oh my God, how's this run gonna go? My leg's gonna hold up. Man, I got a lot of stuff to do today. See, this is what happens to all of us. But the difference is this is all going as I'm acting, as I'm getting up to get water, as I'm turning off the snooze, as I'm still taking action, even though the mind's still going. Start running. Oh man, what does my time look like? Look down at the phone and it's better than normal. Why? I have no clue. Maybe because all that self-doubt that I had a good pace. I got no clue. All I know is that I ended up running it in better time than I have in recent runs. Which means that all that mind frick, all that stuff that went through my mind was a bunch of BS, a bunch of negative self-talk that didn't serve me. And here we are. Run completed. Get to go about my day. And got to share with you guys. So I want to share this, man. This is Ryan from Justifier. Just do it. Guys, if you're following this marathon training, again, this is run number 9, and you feel this could serve somebody else, share it. If you watch it, do me a favor and like it, just so I can see how many people are out there paying attention. And lastly, guys, have an amazing day. Hope you got yours off on the right foot. Talk to you tomorrow, because tomorrow I got a 4-miler. Bye.